Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very good for freshers batch, for 2022 batch or for the freshers batch. There is an important news about the mass hiring from TCS, Infosys, Wipro and other MNCs. TCS, Infosys, Wipro and others to hire 2 lakh techies in FY 2022. There is one important point that previous news is about 1 lakh techies. Okay. So what are the facts of this news? And IIT Kharagpur commences GATE 2022 application process. So you have to check the details. So in this video we discuss about the two important points, and this video is related to tech news series. So let's start the video. Okay. So the first news is TCS, Infosys, Wipro and others to hire 2 lakh techies in FY 2022, and this news is posted on 3 September, means today 9:10 a.m. See, the COVID pandemic has made company and employees face a decline, but the IT sectors have different aspects. So there are important points that the top IT companies hired 58,000 employees. Our companies are embracing the work from home model. Okay. So that in the June, Infosys, Tata Consultancy Services, HCL, Wipro, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra are now to planning hire, including tier 1 and tier 2. Okay, so they just mentioned that they will hire from tier 1 and tier 2, but ongoing hiring, means the TCS, NQT ongoing hiring, Cognizant hiring, Infosys hiring is for all of the colleges or for all of the tiers colleges like tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 and tier 4, and in upcoming month hiring is ongoing for the freshers batches. Okay, so as we know that the aggregate hiring by the tier 1 techs has not crossed the FY12 level since they are certain to exit that in FY22. The IT companies are planning to hire 2 lakh employees in FY22. So there is a very good point for freshers, or there is very good news for freshers, that if you are pass out in 22 and if you are freshers recently graduate, so the company are started or company hire through ongoing, and they will continue their hiring ongoing. So there is an very good news for the freshers batch. So this news on the Tech Geek. Second is just related to IIT Kharagpur commences GATE 22 application process. You can just check the details. If you are prepared for the GATE exam, GATE 2022 exam, so you are eligible. How to apply for this? So on August 30, the Indian Institute of Technology commences the GATE 2022 application. Okay, so who are eligible to apply for GATE 22? The candidate that are pursuing undergraduate degree program, are in their third or higher year, can apply. Candidate that possesses certification approved by AICTC, MO, UPSC, UGC. Okay, so mode of examination is computer based test. Number of subject is 29, duration 3 hours. Sections, candidate selection, subject plus general aptitude questions, marks distributed, all are mentioned on this website and on the GATE 2022 official website, on the IIT Kharagpur website. So you can just go to website and check this. So this is the two news that is very good for freshers, and Infosys 2022 batch off campus hiring will soon in the upcoming month. Okay, so if you not clear the NFTQ or hack with Infi, so you can just apply for some ongoing opportunities, and you can wait for some of the other good opportunities. You can just apply through all new opportunities, and in upcoming month if there is a new opportunity, surely I will share with all of you. Thanks for watching the video.